International Air Transport Association IATA, the airline industry's main lobby body, doubles as its estimates for global net profit in 2023 as a surge in flying in North America and Europe drives up ticket prices. This projection was revealed during the 79th Annual General Meeting in Istanbul with focus on sustainability of the aviation industry, airlines' recovery from COVID-19 and lessons learned from 2022's host of operational challenges. Profits are now expected to hit $9.8 billion this year, more than double of $4.7 billion forecast in December. The association says it expects about 4.35 billion passengers to travel in 2023, around 96% of the 2019 levels. Some international news. UBS, a multinational investment bank and financial services company, will complete its takeover of Credit Suisse on June 12 to create a giant Swiss bank with balance sheet of $1.6 trillion. This is the biggest bank deal after the global financial crisis, will create a group overseeing $5 trillion of assets. The Switzerland #1 bank agreed on March 19 to pay 3 billion Swiss franc, that's $3.37 billion, to assume up 5 billion franc losses for a smaller Swiss rival after collapsing customers' confidence. Upon completion, Credit Suisse shareholders will receive one UBS share for every 2.48 shares, and Credit Suisse shares will be delisted from the SIX Swiss Exchange and New York Stock Exchange. Latest data shows China's services activities picked up in the month of May as a rise in new orders shored up consumption-led economic recovery in the second quarter. According to Caixin S&P, Global Services Purchasing Managers Index hit 57.1 in May from 56.4 in April. The survey was based on responses collected from May 12 to 22nd, showing a contrast with the official PMI released last week that showed a slower pace of expansion in the services sector. The chief economist at Jones Lang Sale, Mr. Bruce Pang, explains that different survey sizes might be responsible for the discrepancies between Caixin and official PMI readings. While the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies have agreed to adjust their overall production levels to 40.46 million barrels per day for 2024. The Oil Producer Alliance decision is part of the 35th OPEC Plus ministerial meeting and resolution in Vienna. This latest decision came amid sliding oil prices in recent weeks. The alliance surprised production quotes in early April that pushed up oil prices to above $85 a barrel. But the prices swiftly retreated and have been hovering just above $70 a barrel in recent days under pressure from lingering concerns over the economic outlook and demand. In October 2022, OPEC Plus slashed the production target for 2023 to 41.86 million barrels per day, while in April of this year, the alliance announced a further voluntary output reduction of 1.66 million barrels per day. Crude oil prices were up $1 today after a top global exporter, Saudi Arabia, pledged to cut production by another 1 million barrels from July. Counteracting the macroeconomic headwinds that have depressed markets, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell at $73.65 per barrel with a 2.66% positive. Following 2 consecutive days of losses, Brent also experienced an uptick of 2.54% to sell at $78.06. Bonny Light recorded an upsurge of 1.58% to sell at $75.19 per barrel. And for the OPEC basket, crude dealers are offering $72.79 with a price decline of 0.38%.